Alright, so here, hi guys, this video right now I'm going to show you Windows 11. This is the development version of Windows 11 that has been leaked online, and I managed to have an ISO image for it. I'm not going to share you, of course, because this is a development version, and uh, you may find it elsewhere. But if you still insist, I may drop the link in the video description for you to test it out. So anyway, I already created it on a virtual machine here in VirtualBox. So I'm going to click on Start to start the virtual machine. I already put everything that's needed here. This is a start of this. I'm going to go and capture the ISO image for Windows 11. This is the supposed to be leaked version of Windows 11 here. Oh, what happened? Oh, it's wait, what? Really? Okay, so try again, try again, try again. Yeah, all right. It's going to go and redo this. Maybe I'm going to go and set up some things here. Let's do 3 cores. Let's let's do 5. So let's start it up again. Windows 11. I set it as Windows 10 do. That's it. There we go. All right, that worked. So here is it. Windows 11 ISO setup. Yeah, setup audio right. So yeah, as you can see right now here on the setup screen, the Windows logo is changed. But when you click next, the Windows logo is the Windows 10 logo here is still here. This is the current Windows logo right now. So you're going to click install now. Yeah, I don't have a product key though. So let's check it using a 11 Pro edition. As you can see, the scroll bar is also changed, much like an iOS scroll bar here. So I'm going to click on next here. Let's accept the license and terms. Next, custom. I'm going to go and next to install Windows 11, the elite version. I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is 2699.1 development build. I'm not sure. I'm not going to quote to you on that. So anyway, as you can see, it's not getting ready, getting the files ready for the installation of Windows 11. I'm going to let you see through the process. I'm going to let you see through the process of this one. So yeah. Yeah. So as you can see right now, it's getting ready for the plasma installation. All right, it's apparently stopped. Oh, there you go. I thought it stopped. So getting files ready now for the installation. And the setup screen doesn't change too much from the Windows 10 setup screen, the installation screen. So yeah, that's because it's still a development build, so that's fine. Maybe they're going to change it in the near future if they really continue to build this Windows 11 uh, OS, which is this is ironic though because they already state that Windows 10 will be the last version of Windows that they're going to release. But here we are. We have a leak version of Windows 11, which is supposed to be announced on June 24. I think that's June 24. Yeah, the 24th. Yeah, that's not what we want. The 24th. But of course, some people leak the screenshots and also leak the ISO image for Windows 11, which I managed to grab one. But there we have finished installing Windows. We're just going to wait until it reboots. It's just going to go and install some things, then it's going to be restart. So let me check my task manager for a minute here. I guess I used my 3 cores. Yeah, task manager is still fine. Alright, let's go and restart the system, the virtual machine rather, and we're going to check Windows 11 soon. As you can see, the boot screen is changed a bit as the Windows logo is more of a flat style looking. It's a more really simplified version of the Windows logo, of the current Windows logo. And the startup screen doesn't change that much, except for the fact that the Windows logo here has been changed on more of like flat style sort of thing. So I'm getting ready. So once again, I'm going to let you sit through this, and yeah, I'm not going to post the video, of course, but I'm just going to be the audio. Alright, so as you can hear the startup sound and also the new animation for the setup screen of Windows 11. The first time setup, as one would say. As you can see, let's go and click on yes. It really changed a lot here. The setup, the first time setup screen with the new animations on the left side for the keyboard and other related things, as you can see, which is pretty eye candy, and for me it's really cool though. So another one it's going to check for updates again, which is I think it I don't know if there will be some updates, but I think there's going to be no updates here. So yeah, we're just going to go and wait until this one is finished booting up here. I mean, finish doing this thing. All right, let's go and set up for personal use. They have options for personal use and workforce. What's set up for personal use? And that's I will not sign in my Microsoft account. Instead, I'm going to create an offline account, a new options down here, and going to click on limited experience. As you can see, the animations here is really great. Let's type in Windows 11 test on this one. Going to click on next. We're going to leave a password, no password here. So I'm going to enforce the Windows tracking things here. I'm just going to go and disable all of them. Make sure all are disabled. There you go. Click on accept. I'm going to wait. So let's see what's new from Windows. I think there will be no. I think on the future build there are going to be some things running around there. All right, so same message as you would get for the setup screen of Windows 10, with um, with minor adjustments on the font styles. And this one is a cool one though. This is the uh, new screen for waiting the waiting screen of Windows 11, much like a blur background effect with blue colors on the background. I forgot. There's a term there. I forgot the term. Either way, really cool, good looking animation here. Pretty nice. So let's just going to wait for a few minutes here for Windows 11 uh, to be launched, to be started. Going to wait for that. This may take a while though, so we're going to see the interface. As you can hear the startup sound again. I apologize if I trampled that sound because of my voice, but either way, here is it, the new Windows 11 desktop. I'm going to check the Windows version. As you can see, about Windows 11. This is version deb. Yeah, I I stated the wrong OS build. It's 21996.1. This is the OS build 21996.1 version development of Windows 11. This is of course late and they changed the Windows logo and stuff like that. So the noticeable major change here is the taskbar. The icons is now on the center as opposed to its default location, the left side. And of course that changed Windows start menu. Here we go. Which has some new animations here, as you can see. There we go. It's more like for this build I think it's more like an eye candy appearance changes rather than some major changes in the system. But let's go and check get started. Inside the get started screen here, as you can see, they still not change the example screen here to Windows 11. It's still on Windows 10 with the same colors. And we're going to click right here. Yeah, but the icons have been changed though. Some of the icons has changed, and which I'm going to show you in a minute here. Yeah, there's not much change here. So other than that, the picture is still not been changed to Windows 11, but yeah, still this one is a development build, so that's why. Also, as you can see, rather, the taskbar for Windows 10 here and the Windows 11 is double the size, which accompanied with a day uh, a day here on the clock date and time section of the taskbar here, as opposed to Windows 10, which doesn't have any. You need to hover to see the day, the current day right now. So yeah, uh, let's check some things. Nothing has changed on the back section, the network section. Also, nothing has changed except for the icons. For some of the icons, and the speaker thing still the same also. And also, it's I also noticed that the corners are now rounded rather than the on the start menu and on the start menu, and rather than on the Windows 10, it's more like a square, sharp edge. As you can see, also the folder icons for the frequent folders is also changed for videos, pictures, downloads, desktop, documents, and music. And of course, this PC logo is also changed. Icon, sorry. And also the icon for the local disk is also changed on Windows 11 on this Windows 11 build. So yeah, uh, the pinned apps are also now on the top side rather than the rather than on the right side of the Windows 10 on Windows 10 here, which is of course I've unpinned all of them. All apps, as you can see on all apps, it's much like the same as Windows 10, but but it's more like a full screen thing, uh, rather than there's some pinned items here on the start menu, and there is the all apps here. So yeah, that's another change. And also once again, the scroll bar, it's much more like Windows. Mac OS scroll bar here with with new icons for I'm the up and down icons for the scroll bar itself, is uh, which is also present here. But when you hover it down, it's going to be a black bar rather than the rounded scroll bar here on the latest Windows 11 build. On the Action Center notification, nothing has changed though. Nothing has changed though. So yeah, night light here, something like that, night lights and stuff like that. It's going to check some more. Task Manager is not appearing anymore on this taskbar. There's no options right now here, but I think um that's going to be revamped in the future build because it is only a development build, as I said again. So let's go to the Task Manager here, and nothing has changed on Task Manager here. So yeah, nothing has changed though. Once again, except for the scroll bars and stuff like that. Pretty nice. So mostly to conclude when this build of Windows 11, it's more like a appearance change rather than the uh, and some system changes, and I think some major changes will be implemented soon if they really continue uh, to build and to build this new Windows 11. This as time of this video, it's currently on 2.196.1 OS build. Maybe in the near future they're going to release another one. If after the 24th, if they continue building Windows 11. So yeah, that's about it for this video. I hope you like it. Please like or dislike, comment down below for your thoughts on Windows 11, and stay tuned for more videos. And yeah, that's about it, guys. And see you again on the next one. Bye bye. One thing I forgot. Sorry about that. One thing I forgot. on Windows 11 here is their new uh, startup sound, which is we're going to listen to right now. When we restart this, as you can see, the restart screen is still not being changed. Still not did change. So we're going to wait until it boots up again, and let's hear that sound, the new startup sound of Windows 11. Right, that's the new startup sound for Windows 11. As you can see earlier, the lock screen is also changed. When we go to personalize, we have some new pictures, background pictures for Windows 11, which is all pretty great, but unfortunately I cannot do any changes because I need to activate Windows. That's fine. We have some colors just like in Windows 10. Some of them are also being revamped to 11. Lock screen changes, which is just seen earlier. Some new themes, which you can get from the Microsoft Store. And fonts, start menu, and the taskbar. So that's all about it. Device usage, yeah. So that's about it for some of the changes of Windows 11. And yeah, I'll see you again on the next one. Goodbye, and thank you for watching.